G'day guys, just on the way up to the Central Islands to kick off another week's guiding, but managed to sneak away from Hobart a little bit earlier, so have got the afternoon to jump in on a little stream on the way up and have a bit of a fish. So going to jump in here and probably fishing nymph under dry, I reckon. Water temps are still pretty cold, but quite a nice day too. So I've got the 8-foot 4-weight Stalker Legend, which will handle a nymph under a dry pretty easily, but on a nice warm afternoon at any time of the season really, you can still get some rising fish in the rivers, so best to be prepared for that. And if we see a few rising fish, I can throw a dry at them as well. So I'll jump in here and come along for the ride. There we go. It's come a fair way for that, I think. You can see the dry actually get pulled out towards the side, which usually means they've shot over for it. Just a little guy, but nice take. Just come out. There he is. Just flicked it up into that little run there. And there he is. Nice little brownie. beautiful spots. Away he goes. Here we go on the dry. A bit later in the afternoon now, and a few fish have started popping up, so just chucked a little dry on there and flick that up there. It just comes straight up, so that's good fun. Caught a few there on the little nymph, but always great fun to see them come up and grab that dry, so get that out. Nice little fish. Awesome. Still early season, like it's only August, and you know, just shows that, you know, on these nice warm days that we do get, sort of warm and settled days, or warmer days in winter, can still produce a bit of dry fly fishing on the little streams. So always good to be prepared with a few little dries in your box, even if you think you're going to be, you know, mostly nymphing. It's always good to keep an eye out in these slower sort of pools for a few rising fish, because yeah, a bit of fun late in the afternoon to see a couple come up and grab the dry. So I did see another one rising just as I was getting that fish in the net, so we'll just keep hanging out here and let things settle down a little bit, and then we might get another shot. We're back at the car now. Good little session there, so a few fish on the nymph, working up through those runs, and then just found that one pool there with some rising fish in there. So there was 3 or 4 fish there rising away, and good to get one on the dry, and missed another one, so that was a nice little end to the day. And yeah, rivers look to be in good shape, plenty of fish around. A little bit of rain would be good just to bring those levels up a little bit. Still a little bit low for the start of the season, but they look to be in good shape. Fish are there, so yeah, get out there and have some fun.